What's the meaning of built? Built. Built.
Built. Built. The term built typically refers to the process of constructing or creating something, such as a building, structure, or machine. When something is described as being built, it implies that it has been carefully crafted or assembled from various components in order to achieve a particular function or purpose. The result of something being built can vary widely depending on the context, but in general, it tends to involve the creation of something new or the improvement of an existing object or system. Essentially, the word built connotes a sense of intentional and thoughtful design or construction, often with the end goal of solving a problem or meeting a need.